When I find myself in times of trouble,
Babay.
Mother Mary comes to me, speaking